O'Morgan Labs, Simple Machines, Wedge. An axe separates a piece of wood 4 centimeters. The axe, you can consider it a wedge driven 0.3 meters into the wood. A force of 20 kips is required to split the wood. The axe only supplies 10 kips. In problems like these, they usually ask you what is the IMA, the ideal mechanical advantage, the MA or AMA, the actual mechanical advantage, and then C, the efficiency. You just use the ideal and actual and figure out the percent, the efficiency. So what is the ideal mechanical advantage? Simply put, it's the distance of one's effort over the distance of the resistant load. So whatever you're doing, how much, in our case, you're driving into the wood. That's kind of like your effort. And you drove it 0.3 meters into the wood. The resistant load is, that's the tearing, how far it's separated. Okay, in our problem, the DE would be the 0.3, no, the DE would be the DE is your effort, the drive distance, which is 0.3 meters. Your DR is your distance of resistant load. That's your separation, which is your 4 centimeters. So you're dealing with centimeters and meters. You have to do a conversion, put the numbers together, and that'll give you the IMA. Part B is you have to figure out the MA or AMA, the actual mechanical advantage. For that, you need the force of the resistance or the load over the force of your effort. That's kind of what you put in. So for our problem, the FR, the load force, is 20 kips, which is 20,000 pounds. Your FE is the force effort. You only put in 10 kips or 10,000 pounds. Plug in those numbers and you get your actual mechanical advantage. And last but not least is your efficiency. The efficiency is your actual over the ideal. So AMA over IMA times 100. It's just a basic percent kind of formula. But you have to know which one to put on top and bottom. Okay. You should have all the pieces, all the formulas to figure out any wedge mechanical advantage type problem, simple machine problem. Click on the link below if you want to see, just plug it in the numbers. But you should have everything you need for your problem at this point. So, hope you learned something. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.